Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on this channel. Today we're going to do an upgrade on this laptop. We will install a hard drive caddy in order to have a secondary drive. To do this, we will remove the optical disk drive on the laptop and use that available slot. I decided to do this since I no longer use it and I need the extra storage. As for the drive we will be installing, it is an HGST TravelStar. This is a laptop drive, 2.5 inches in size and also 9.5 millimeters thick. It has a 1 terabyte capacity and a speed of 7200 RPM. I will now guide you through all the steps to install this, and at the end I will show you the settings you need to make this work. So without further ado, let's begin with disassembling the laptop. And you can use this as a guide, as most laptops follow the same concept for disassembling. First thing will be to turn off your computer and take out the battery. Then, remove all the screws from the back. Once you have them all out, we can move to the front part or inside of the laptop. Please note that some laptops have screws below the rubber stands. Now we will remove the keyboard. This will give us access to more screws that will let us then separate the top cover. Now we can finally remove the optical drive. We will now put the hard drive into the caddy. First, remove the side screws, install the drive, and secure it with the same screws. We will also put in the optical cover to the caddy to give it a stock look. Finally, reassemble the laptop. Make sure to connect everything back and put all the screws as before. Alright, so we're now back into Windows and we have our new drive installed. Most likely when you turn on your computer you will not see it listed. What we will need to do is go to the disk management utility, look for the drive, and we'll create a new simple volume. Go through the wizard and make sure that the maximum drive capacity is selected. Assign the letter of your preference and select your format values. Once we have all these options, click on Finish. Once your drive has been formatted, it should be ready to use. If it's still not showing up, like in this case, go back into the disk management utility. We're going to change the drive letter and paths and assign the letter of your preference. I will now leave you with a speed benchmark of the drive. I really hope you find this useful and thank you all for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more.